this is the brief. Name to incorporate in the logo is Flyburger. So Flyburger is a smash burger business operating in Montreal, selling smash burgers, chicken burgers, fries and poutine. These are the colors, reds and light neutrals. The contest holder wants a youthful, playful and literal logo. Also wants a cartoon type logo with a burger and airplane wings. What I want to do now is to look for some inspiration. So I'm gonna go to Google and type airport. I want to see some wings. Let's type airport logo. So I want to incorporate wings and burger, also with the type Flyburger in a cartoon type style like the contest holder said. Okay, let's go to Freepik. Let's search for wings logo. I like this type of wings, but I want to find some wings that can be incorporated within a burger. So more rounded wings like this maybe would work. Or maybe like this, or maybe like these ones. I want a minimalist style, but he wants cartoon wings maybe. Let's search for cartoon wings logo. Maybe simple like this would work. This might work. Let's delete the logo and see what can we find. Now let's try some combinations now. Some iterations with the wings that we found so far. So we have these ones, this one, these ones, these ones, and these ones. Let's download these ones and open it. I want round wings because I want to incorporate a burger and the burger is round. Maybe if I delete this text or actually leave it as it is for now. I want to look for some burgers logo. This is simple and nice. I like this one. Yeah, let's try this one. Let me open it. I like how it looks. It also have some steam or okay, let's copy it. And here let's copy it again and also let's ungroup it. Okay, let's make it yellow and delete this star. Make it a little bit bigger, maybe something like this. Maybe it's too big. Center align it. Let's see, maybe move it a little bit up. Here maybe Flyburger type, this delete, maybe another type, typography. He wants reds, okay, and light neutrals. Let me make a screenshot of this and see how this looks with red. This is one iteration. Okay, let's drag this here and see some more iterations. What can I do with some other burgers and wings? Let's search here for wings. But you know what? Let me see what ChatGPT comes with. Generate me an image with all, and just to see for inspiration what comes with. Yeah, let's see. While ChatGPT comes with an image, let's see what do we have here. But if I search for burger wings logo. Can I find something, I wonder? Okay, let's bring this to Illustrator and try another iteration. And let's try without the steam coming out of the burger. Might work. I like this one as well. The only thing is that the curve doesn't match the form of the hamburger, but maybe something like this. We'll keep it as an idea, as an iteration. Let's check ChatGPT. It's taking way too long. Something like this. Actually, I can recreate it in Illustrator, but I'll go with this version for now. I like this simple burger. And also I want some but it's not cartoon style. Let's search for cartoon style. Yeah, so I need a burger, cartoon style burger, cartoon. Not too complex because this is a logo, but not too simple because this is not cartoon. Maybe this can work. Resize it. I don't know if this red is a good color for this logo. If you look to KFC or fast foods or McDonald's, for example, KFC uses red very much in his brand colors, because red is a color that stimulates your appetite. And also McDonald's uses yellow, also stimulates your appetite. But the brief said that want reds as a color. Okay, we'll keep it red. Maybe this shade of red, this one, and this one maybe. Yeah, I'll keep it as it is for now. And also, let's write fly burger. Yeah, this is the logo. Let's try not cartoon style logo with this one. Copy it. Resize it. Group it. Distribute spacing. This works better if you color it. Something like this maybe can work. Not happy with the result because the hamburger doesn't match the overall look of the logo. So maybe this one can work. I like this more than other variants. Yeah, ChatGPT is still processing. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video, subscribe also. Thank you. Goodbye.